ఎందుకు వచ్చేయండి అభిషేకం చేసిన వారందరూ కూడా ఎందుకు వచ్చేయండి అమ్మా. స్టేజ్ మీద ఎవరు ఉండదు తల్లి.
మేము అప్పుడేమో కెమెరా తీసుకున్నాము.
In our country and also all parts of the world, people celebrate Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is a very one of the sacred festivals of Indians. And for last 39 years, I have been organizing 1 crore Shivalingas Abhishek. 1 crore Shivalingas, I don't think I ever heard anybody has organized. So by Lord Shiva's grace, with one saint guidance, I have succeeded to erect 1 crore Shivalingas every year since 39 years. This year is the 40th year. And here speciality is Abhishekam means people go to temple, then priests, pujaris will do it. You have to give only coconut and flowers to them. Here I am arranging directly, they put the water. Very rare. So today, and third point, my dream was to have the Tirunal celebrating here, feast. So here now today, people enjoy, children, evening thousands of people come, they enjoy seesaw and buying the sugar canes, all wrinkle garden, all games, children play, everything goes on. So this has become a very festive area for last 40 years. So I feel it's Lord Shiva's grace. I am only instrument. So these people also voluntarily participate and they arrange also, help me in arranging arrangement. It's going on well.
40 years కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నటువంటి నేపథ్యంలో అలాగే పుష్కరాలు అంటే మెయిన్ ఏదైతే మహాకుంభమేళ అయిందో అలాంటి సందర్భంలో ఈ రోజు
అది కలిసి వచ్చింది. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఐ గాట్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ కుంభమేళ అండ్ ఆల్సో మేడ్ దెమ్ టు డూ ఇట్. సో దట్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ ఆన్. So this time Kumbh Mela day, putting water is a special. And evening also is special feast to ice. Om Namah Shivaya. One dance, drama, music all mixed together. I arranged it for 3 hours. That was fantastic.